Hey, how's it going? This is David Amendariz.
And we wanted to share with you that so far we have one ad with two ad sets, and it's been running for a week. And we've had like 200 people asking for more information. This is a weight loss product, and we're so happy that we're having a great response for the audience.
We're super excited to share with you guys that Internet Jet Set has been an amazing experience. Every Friday we've been able to get coached directly by John Crestani, the man himself. And for us being here in Mexico, as you can see, we live in a lovely city, Chihuahua, Mexico, and starting to see results, getting sales, getting responses. When the last year when we tried the same
Approach,
the same campaigns on Facebook, wrong targeting, wrong copywriting. Right now we're excited to share with you guys that this program definitely works.
It's working, and it's really working. I would love to share with you an amount of money that we're making, but as the ads are still running, and I don't know how to tell you how much money we've made so far because it's still running. And for a week we've only made like $200, I don't know, like $300,
about that amount, and we're just selling a product.
1 week.
Health and
Just
wellness
1 week.
product, exactly. And we're working from home. We wanted to be owners of our own time.
Yeah.
And well, that's basically it. That's our testimony. We believe fully on Internet Jet Set, and we want to achieve great results. I want to share with you guys that this program definitely works.
Yeah, and John Crestani himself is really a great coach. He's an awesome teacher. He's really focused on mindset and productivity, and he's always like really sharp to teach us and to get his students the best progress.
Something that I noticed is that he's pretty much straightforward. That if we didn't do something, he always tells us for the benefit of us, for us to get benefit right away. Instead of going around different like motivation, he just tells us exactly how it is, and that's what we need. Sometimes we need just someone that is crazy enough to be honest, and that's what we have with John Crestani.
He's a great teacher, and you're gonna love the course. It's really simple. It's really straightforward. You're gonna understand it really quickly, and it doesn't matter if you don't know that much about technology or if you know a ton. You're gonna really understand, and it's gonna be great for you. I promise.
We're gonna share screenshots of our campaign that it's getting excellent results and response from people. So basically, we just want to wish you guys the best.
Yeah.
We are working with the best people. John Crestani is one of them, and we're super excited. We want to wish you the same results. As you can see, guys, the sun, it's hardcore right here. So we got our umbrella. Now, something we wanted to share, that it's always a question that John asks is,
what's your traffic source? So we want to specialize on YouTube, but what has been working for us so far, it's Facebook ads from our Facebook groups and Facebook pages. So this is a great strategy that can work for anyone.
basically what he teaches is that you can or you can use any Google, SEO, Facebook, YouTube, and what we're focusing right now is YouTube because it's free. We can start getting an audience over there.
Yeah, we're so excited. John Crestani, thank you so much. We're really happy to work with you and that you are our coach.